Hello, Diaries, and today I'm going to the Webuye Falls. As you can see, I'm ready, carrying my bag with me, my backpack. In it, there's a small treat for myself, snacks, and some water, and excited to see what is this Webuye Falls that we hear about. Western, my guys, and to be precise, where I am right now, Webuye. The area is scenic. For those people who love hiking, those people love to walk, hills, greens. Oh God, I'm trying to describe this and I don't know where to start. This camera and especially my phone, it is not doing justice for me. It is not doing justice at all. See guys, what I'm telling you. This is a homestead surrounded by woods. And now we're walking down the path to the main road that will take us to the falls. Me personally scholar. I love walking. That's it. I love walking. I love trees. I love nature. Guys, now this is the main road that will be connecting us to the way of the falls. I'm seeing kids there and I'm mesmerized by their creativity. Asanti, yeye ndio kushuva. Nani amewatengenezea? Wewe ni clever. I'm simply telling them who has done the swing for them, and they told me the boy said he's the one who did the swing. And so I told him it's so creative. Guys, I don't know whether you understand when I'm telling you sceneries at Webuye. Oh God, they're just therapeutic. It's my prayer that one day I'll be able to get a nice camera or a GoPro in this case, so that I can document such things that I'm seeing around here. Guys, I don't know what that is, but I just love it. It's very common here to see cows grazing. But where are you, cow? On the roadside. Homesteads like that one. Most homesteads here, they're made of stones and woods and sand, if I'm not wrong. Border riders. Just look at that house, made of stones, iron sheets, and sand. So that is a typical Luya home. That's how they hang their clothes outside. I think here there are no thieves. Build of stone. Now that is a kiosk. A kiosk is like a small store whereby people can do small businesses. That's River Nzoia. Guys, those are the sceneries. Now we have the mountain at the extreme end, but my camera I don't think is powerful enough to bring you those scenes. Guys, the weather today is hot, extremely hot, but weather in this area changes like a chameleon. Guys, on my way, I've come across, I don't know whether you can read the words, I don't know, but this is the Falls View Resort. Falls View Resort, Nabuyole. There's some story about that Nabuyole things, but I will explain in my description. I don't know you guys whether you can see from the extremely high there. That is the falls. That is where we are going from. This main road to the falls. Come with me. Guys, from my extremely right, that railway is, if you see a train coming from this side, that train is coming from Uganda. That is our neighboring country, going this way. Irene, it goes this way up to Nairobi. So this is the railway that connects goods from Uganda to Nairobi as they watch the scenic view of Nyabuyole Valley. No, not Nabuyole, Nabuyole. Guys, I'm not a Luya, they say Nyabuyole Falls, not Valley. And in a simpler term, Webuye Falls. Another economic activity in western area is quarry. I've noticed there's quarries across western, and to be precise, here in Webuye, there is stone quarries as an economic activity. This is that is the river. You can watch the scenic views from there. The falls are just there, and the water is just flowing. I'll be taking you there to see and enjoy the views. Look at that. Look at this. The view is magnificent. The view is good. It's so extremely good. That's why I had to put some shades to protect my eyes. From my host, watching it up and good, the fall, the great fall, this place, let's consider hiring special hire. If you come with your own partner, you will get us together, or even hire a taxi. Quarry right there. That's another quarry, and I guess those are, I'm not sure, let me ask Irene, what are those? What? These houses are for who? Oh, they're for the staff who works here.
So the processing happens here.
Oh God, the sun is too hot, but I have to, we're almost there, but I'm already tired, but I have to keep on trying. I believe nothing comes on a silver platter, and in this world we have to struggle, we have to work hard. So I'll keep on doing my level best so that I reach to the falls. It's not far, you can feel the waves. But I decided just to cool a little bit under my favorite things, the trees. I get to experience the coolness. Even my phone is telling me it's hot. meaning it is really hot. But we have to go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, oh my god. We're coming down there. That's up the hill. It's taking a little toll on me. I wish I came with water, and I don't think there's any place for me to buy water here. But we're almost there. You can feel the sounds of the water and the falls. Oh God. It's tough. Well, this is what we call the falls. The falls. One thing I'm realizing by looking at this, it's like the water has formed two tributaries that are making the falls. You see? Nabuyole Falls, Webuye Falls. Guys, I'm thinking of setting a food and checking the falls. This is one of the falls now. Nabuyole Falls, Webuye Falls. I think Kenya is blessed. We have so many wonderful God's creations that God did for us. So no, we shouldn't complain but be grateful to our Lord. Now, see this beauty? And to access this fall, it's free of charge. You don't pay anything. You just feel like going to falls and be able to enjoy this nice scenery. You just pop in, free of charge. The only thing that I would advise you once again, have means of transport to this place. It's full of, heights, ups, downs, valleys, But apart from that, I'm grateful that I'm here and there's no water. There's no place to buy water, so come with your own water and your own stuff to eat. Okay guys, at Nyabuyole Falls. You see that tree that is right there? This tree was planted by the first president of the Republic of Kenya, the late Nyabuyole. Locals tell me there used to be some writing showing that this tree was planted by Nyabuyole. But I think this time no one is maintaining. But the truth is, this tree was done by the first president of the Republic of Kenya. Let me go and give it a hug, because I've always told you I love trees. Yeah. Natural falls. They're not man-made. Nabuyole Falls. And that is the tree that was planted by the first president of the Republic of Kenya. Oh God. What do you think, guys?